Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you really quickly how you can add an underline to your text header in your Microsoft Word document without any technical skills whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. Access your Microsoft Word document, and after that, double click on your header to access its editing features. So let me do that really quickly. That is going to open up that header and footer tab here at the top. So what you want to do, guys, is switch from the header and footer tab to the home tab here on the left, and after that, here inside the paragraph section, what you want to do is click on that arrow down icon where it says borders to select and to apply your preferred border. You may go with a bottom, top, left, right, and so on and so forth. So let me go with the bottom border so that it is located in the lower part of that header. So let me go with that one. You may of course also customize the color if you like of the border. So what you want to do also, guys, is press enter to move the header underline here to the lower parts, for example, or press backspace to move it up. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you add an underline to your header and footer. But for example, head back to the header and footer tab and close to header and footer by clicking on X here, you will see that the underline will still be applied and visible. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.